Hello everybody, welcome to a new live stream. I hope everybody is having a wonderful day. So today in the Netherlands we've seen a bit of sun, okay? And that's not quite often. So I'm pretty happy. And well, this live stream today, I'm doing a couple of altcoin reviews, as always. Just answering your questions. And also I'll be talking about some projects which I would buy today with 100x potential. So let me do a first quick routine first to check if everything is alright regarding the live stream. So I'm live on X, nice one. We already have one view. Hit those likes, my friend. Hit those likes. Retweet. Help my channel grow. I appreciate it. And I'll be happy to answer all of your questions. So, I'll give you guys one pick, and it's probably no surprise that I'm very bullish on Surge, which is also a 100x potential altcoin. So this one will be the first one, and actually this one has been in a downtrend. So let's take a look at the chart. I've been putting out buy orders in my community, and I might do another one. 40 cents. 40 cents. It's a bargain right now. 2 million in market cap. This is such a underrated project, guys. So a 50x will only be at the 100 million. But okay, I have to admit the vesting schedule isn't the best. But these guys are burning tokens massively. Okay, so they already have huge partnerships. If you want more deeper dive, I made a video on Serenity Shield, so make sure to check it out. This is not a altcoin review for Surge, obviously, but yeah, if you watch my channel, you know, freaking bullish. So basically, Surge will be the first one I'll be looking at. Also, mint layer, we can take a look at mint layer. So 21 million in market cap, if that's correct. Always the question. Oh, nice, there's some FUD. Good to see. When there's FUD, you need to scoop up some bags. This one is also in a very magnificent buying area. No financial advice, of course, but yeah. This one is also very underrated. They updated the roadmap. They announced some new developments coming in Q4, like the ZK Thunder network. So yeah, it's EVM compatible layer 3. Freaking bullish. I don't think it's on many people's radar, considering the low market cap. And I think when this one gets on a tier 1, man, this could easily be a top 30 project, top 40. Into the billions, into the billions. That'll also be like a 50x. 1 billion would be like a 50x. Very possible for mint layer. Also, in case you didn't know, they also have a RWA platform, which will lure a lot of institutional investors. So freaking bullish on mint layer. So what do you guys think? Oh, we already have someone in the chat spamming some projects. Don't spam, man. Come on. You can just spam tickers, but I'm not a robot, bro. Hey Blaney, could you please take a look at HMND? I actually made a video about it. In case you didn't know. Do I hold it myself? You have to join my community to know. When did I? unique layer 1 altcoin to buy for 2024, again with my mega hat. And by the way, if you think, why the fuck does he wear this mega hat? It's actually the only cap I have. I never wear hats or caps in my free time. It's not my style, but I need to get a cut. And yeah, I can't be arsed to style my hair just for a live stream, so I just put on a cap, you know. So yeah, if you're bullish on HMND, make sure to hit those likes because it's quite unique, but I'm not really a fan of the biometric facial scans and whatever. But yeah, a sword has two sides, you know, or a blade, or how the proverb goes. I don't know, but it could add to the fairness in elections because it's one note, one vote, or something like that. But yeah, I'm not particularly bullish on that one, to be honest. So Surge and Mint Layer. What else? What else would be like a 100x potential? Because I'm not a financial advisor, I don't have a crystal ball. All we can do is look at some factors which will cause a pump of a project. You can take a look at the team. Does it have a decent team? Does it have some experience? Obviously, take a look at the roadmap. All these indicators, there are lots of boxes, okay? But yeah, if you want to learn about the boxes, join the community. Also check the contract, check the holders, check the vesting. The vesting is like one of the most important things, because if a project is like a 10 out of 10 and it has terrible tokenomics, I still can't be bothered to invest in it, because yeah, you might as well just do it in a stable coin because it's less inflation. ICNX is still at discount, don't hesitate. ICNX. Are you actually, are you the project itself, or are you just a fanboy? Yeah, it's so low in market cap. I want out of this shit coin. What happened? No new listing? What are the markets? Okay, so how old is it? It's almost 2 months old. Only on Maxi. Wait, what? Jonathan Bihar, the brain behind Icon X, has combined his passion for technology, innovation, and video games. It's inspired by the success of games like Fortnite and Roblox. Let's take a look at the vesting. Why is it still so low in market cap? I know a couple of YouTubers made a video about it, but it's still so low in market cap. Oh, damn. This doesn't look that good, man. Yeah, 2x dilution in a matter of 40 days. Yeah, man. To be honest, maybe for a short-term trade, considering the low market cap, but I wouldn't touch it. Maybe it's just me. That's my opinion. It's my opinion. Look, it's decent. It's decent for the short term. Just ICNX is enough. It's decent. It's decent. It's a good project, but like I said in the beginning of the live stream, a project can be like a 10 out of 10 if the vesting is not good. It also depends on, do you want it for short term or long term? That's also a factor. So yeah, it could be a good project, but for the short term, in my opinion. No hate. Joshua. Yeah, so I looked into it when you asked it, and I kinda like it. But indeed, I will do a deeper review right now as you are watching. So let me take a look. Let me do a deeper dive. 10 million in market cap, decent volume. This is something you want to see. And it's in a downtrend, forming new lows, but we will check it in the vesting. We will check it. Audited by Certic. That's a green flag. So it's a new project, audited by Certic. It's a low cap. How much in circulation? Okay, that's also decent. Around 40% is circulation. So if you look at the markets, decent markets, how is the volume on these markets? The most volume is on HDX. But nice markets. The contracts are audited. It's of course adds to the trust, credibility, transparency. They have money. The team is active. They can pay for exchange listings, which is a good thing. Let's take a look at the website. AI era of gaming. Play games, earn money, trade NFTs, make events, and much more. So they have an NFT marketplace. Right now it's in pre-beta and it's powered by Unreal Engine and Binance Smart Chain. Okay. I'm not sponsored, by the way, so. Coca-Cola, if you see this, sponsor me. So, Unreal Engine. That must be a AAA game. Look, I'll just do it quickly, otherwise I get a copyright strike, you know? But it seems nice. It seems nice. Just like a metaverse. New era of gaming. Play and earn money. Exhibit and trade NFTs. Use vehicles. Get abilities. Go to events. Okay. So it's like a Fortnite on steroids. Maybe. They have some live events in Dubai. That's good to see. So the team is probably doxed. Oleg Boytsov, the CEO. Nice, that's good. When the founders are speaking in public or joining conferences, events, that's a huge green flag. This one is nice, my friend. How did you find this? What do you think, guys, if you're watching right now? Hit those likes, by the way, but let me know what you think. Do you like what you see? So you have these game modes, deathmatch, team deathmatch, control, secure the control points. That's like headquarters in Call of Duty. Battle Royale, nice. This is very popular. As some of you know, who's playing Call of Duty? Let me know. So you truly own your gaming assets. Yeah, that's bullish. That's bullish. So it's like Fortnite, but you can actually just hold those skins, sell your skins, instead of buying V-Bucks and throw it away. So the total supply is 25 million. That's actually pretty scarce. It's a native deflationary crypto. Oh damn. Partners and investors, Epic Games, Really? My friend, you might have... So I did a quick look when you asked it, and I liked it, but the more I look into it, the more bullish I get, to be honest. But, oh, the vesting dashboard, nice. It's here. What? Old launchpad? We can take a look at the roadmap for a quickie. I want to see the roadmap. What are they up to? Okay, nice. Important milestones. What is this? Where are we? Okay, so the roadmap isn't really detailed. Too bad. Where are we? Yeah, it's not really okay. One red flag. If so, the team is fully doxed. Nice. Yeah, man. Looks pretty decent, bro. I'll put it at the consideration, and we'll talk about it in the Patreon, my friend. Yeah, this might be a gem. This might be a gem. Let's not forget the vesting if this is... So 28% for staking and farming. Okay, nice. That's actually a lot. What the hell? A lot of pre-sales, IDOs. So the team only has 4.5%. Where's like the ecosystem? What? But let's take a look at the inflation. It's a daily unlock. It's a daily unlock. So on the month, and we can keep on scrolling. Yeah, okay, so 4 months, like 1/3. It's not bad. The vesting isn't really bad. Tokenomics aren't that bad. No problem, no problem. Neon. Damn. Neon dipped a lot, man. Neon is actually a pretty nice crypto to swing trade. It's so volatile. Look at this, man. This is all just 50% swings. It went up to almost $3.60. It's down a lot. Do I still have strong conviction of Neon? As a project, yes. Also to anticipate some of future exchange listings, but be careful, guys, because the Neon vesting schedule is also not the best. So I'm probably gonna sell it before August or July after I pump. I'm actually expecting another breakout or catalyst for Neon. But as a project, I'm bullish on it. As an investment, used to be. Used to be, but yeah, it's also the overall market sentiment. And a lot of people also in my community were asking like, yo, about the exit plan, do you also have like indicators that we are going into a bear market? Look, there's one thing I learned, and that's when everything is so bullish, when all the YouTubers are bullish, there's euphoria, you need to you need to start taking profits. That's one thing I learned. When everybody is looking at the right, you have to look at the left. Don't be a sheep, because 90% of the investors get wrecked. That's why you shouldn't follow the masses. Previous bull run, we were at the 60k, almost at the top. They were all screaming 100k Bitcoin, 100k Bitcoin. Everybody, your favorite YouTuber screamed 100k Bitcoin, buy, buy, buy. And then the next day, 30% down. And you'll be thinking, okay, well, yeah, it's a healthy correction. Next day, 30% down. And then you're screwed. Then you think, well, yeah, I should have had take profits. I'm not going to take profits right now. Next day, 20% down. You don't know what you're gonna see, man. So make sure to take your profits, and before investing, have an exit plan. But look, there are some indicators, okay, decreasing volume, okay? If you look for declining trading volume, that's an indicator. A bearish divergence, you can watch for indicators showing weakening momentum. Yeah, breaking support levels, obviously. You have to pay attention to the breaks below key support levels. The rising of the fear. So, yeah. But that's also the question, because you need to take profits when there's euphoria. And obviously when everything is in the red, then the fear comes. But the people all are already getting wrecked. But yeah, that's an indicator when also a bear market is around the corner. Also negative news. Yeah, wait. The increasing short interest. So rising short interest may indicate also growing pessimism. Of course, the market sentiment and yeah, technical reversal patterns, but that's a little bit TA. But you cannot always depend on TA. That's also one thing I learned. So for me right now, I don't look at TAs. I don't look at the daily charts. Right now, I'm just a long-term investor. Also a bit of a swing trader. It really depends. If a project did a 5x, I'm taking some profits, allocate it elsewhere, you know? So yeah. That was about some indicators. There are more, but when it's time, I'll talk about it with you guys in the Patreon. I finally bought mid layer after ignoring it last year before it pumped. Could it 100x like a lot? Think I don't know, but it's a great pick. Yes, my friend, I think you just tuned in, but I still think that mid layer could be a 100x potential. So like I said, it can go down more. It really depends on the overall market. I think the next support is on the 22 cents or something. Let's take a look. No, yeah, 20 cents. So this was actually the support 33, and yeah, like I also said yesterday, let's see if it's holding strong. If it keeps consolidating around here, that'll be very bullish for mid layer, and then it will take off. But yeah, is this a good time to buy? I think so. It's in a real cheap discount, and like I said, the the announcements in the roadmap in Q4 with the ZK Thunder Layer 3, the RWA platform, they are printing, sorry, they're printing partnerships every day, almost every day. It's just ridiculous how underrated mid layer is. And yeah, again, I think it can go up into the billions. So a 10x, a 100x would be like a 2 billion in market cap if you don't consider the vesting schedule. But it isn't really that bad, to be honest, the vesting schedule. So a 50x is very possible. A 30x would be like a bearish price prediction, to be honest. No financial advice. So mid layer, I'm still freaking bullish on it. So people are thinking at least $15 in the bull market. That'll be like a 45x. No, more. No, yeah, 45x. At least. Yeah, like I said, like 30x would be like a very conservative price prediction for this project. What do you think about our games? I think that the project itself is decent, but let me show you something. The vesting schedule is the worst. So look at this. 10 days left. 3% of total supply, but 90% of market cap. Look at this. And then if you scroll down, look how much dilution. Look how much. Yeah, I wouldn't touch this. I wouldn't touch this, my friend. Be careful with this one. Maybe to anticipate on a catalyst if you have some insider information. I don't know. Maybe if you know something about the exchange listing, but otherwise I wouldn't touch it. There are many better projects with the same amount of market cap with a higher potential, to be honest. So let's go back to the 100x altcoins to buy today. That'll also be lit again, okay? Because yeah, I'll be talking about lit for months on this channel and it didn't pump. And I'm not that guy that's going to talk about projects which have pumped significantly. Just like all these other moon boys, okay? Not every YouTuber, of course, but there are some YouTubers that just making a video after a coin is like 30% up because they know they will get a lot of engagement because people are searching for that coin. So they are just luring in new followers, but it's actually not the best timing to make a video about that certain project. So yeah, they mostly care about the following count instead of the value they bring. So I would never make a video about a project which has pumped like a 50%, 40%, 30%. And there was one time I made a video on Corpo. I edited it, and after my video, like literally 30 minutes after I uploaded it, it skyrocketed like a 2x. Not because of me, but what if I edited it and I did like I uploaded it 1 hour later? Yeah, then it would be bad luck. And sometimes it happens. Sometimes it happens. AI tech. AI tech is in a very, very nice consolidation zone right now. I mean, accumulation area. Oh, what? How much is AI tech? 19 cents. Yeah, guys. So if you missed out on AI tech, don't sleep on AI tech right now. As you can see, it made a healthy correction. It skyrocketed. It made a healthy correction. Yeah. And it's consolidating. It's going sideways, which is bullish. I expect this one to go back to the 30 cents. Not really, 25 cents. And a little bit sideways action. But the longer it will consolidate, man, the bigger the price explosion will be. Plus, I think this one will get on a decent exchange listing very, very soon. Look at the volume, guys. Look at these exchange listings. Very bullish things are happening for Solidus AI tech. The marketplace is coming. The NFT marketplace, the AI marketplace, and obviously the data center. So 3 things are coming. So when they have executed it, it's no longer a speculation, and I think the price will skyrocket. AI tech, one of the few AI projects I'm bullish on, because I think the market is also a bit saturated. But this one, man, this is a top tier AI project. So if you're not holding that one, you're sleeping, guys. About Neon, a lot of crypto last bull run looked like that at first, had one smallish big bump, down sideways, and then when the bull run hit, explosion. Yep, true. Yeah, like I said also with AI tech, I think it will consolidate for a few months, maybe few weeks. It depends on the market. Look, people think YouTubers know it all. I don't know shit, my friend. I don't have a crystal ball. It broke yesterday, so now you have to depend on my knowledge based on history. Yeah, and my gut feeling. And of course, there are some indicators. Yeah, Neon. Yeah, Nick, I know what you mean. I'll DCA if it goes down. Yeah, with Neon, this is not a project I would DCA right now. But I'll probably sell it before the big vesting schedule. I mean, before all these tokens get out. Because it has some huge inflation in July, August. I'm not sure which month. Could you look into STBU? Hello, Martin. How are you doing? Good to see you again. Of course, I will check it for you. Stobox token. By the way, guys, is my sound alright? Because sometimes people are complaining it's the sound is too low. This is an old project, and yeah, I'm not really bullish on the chart. It's a bit of a red flag to me, a turn off, because I'm mainly looking at new projects. Also, the question is, look, there's barely any volume. Okay, the volume to market cap ratio is decent, but this project is already 3 years old. Why is it still so low in market cap? Okay, it has some decent exchanges, but not the tier 1. So those are some basic things I look at before I even look at what the project does. But man, 98% in circulation. Maybe it's because of the, yeah, okay, so it's because of the dilution. So there wasn't any liquidity pooled. Yeah, so sometimes you have to click on the market cap chart to read the full picture. But yeah, this project pumps significantly right now. If it will go down, like consolidating, just like here, it can go up for another leg, but we don't know. What is the Stowbox ecosystem? DS dashboard and DS swap with a progress layer to follow. But it's audited by Certic. Uh, V2. They migrated. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know about these kind of projects, to be honest. It has to people like what value bring this? I mean, there are a lot of swaps, pools. This one is old as well. Low in market cap, low volume. I would stay away, to be honest. I'm not going to bore you all with this project, to be honest. But that's just my opinion. Look, I didn't do a deeper dive. Maybe you know more than me. So if you can sell it to me, if you have conviction. Do you think AI tech can become a 10x in a few months? Hell yeah. Hell yeah. AI tech will do a 10x only with one single tier 1 exchange listing, in my opinion. What do you think is the safest investment out of all cryptos right now? And what's your opinion on the whole market? Will there be a huge dip soon so we can buy more? Yeah, great question. That's also something that I think about a lot because I expected already a massive shakeout. If you look at the history, there's some euphoria, then there's a massive shakeout, which will shake out all the retails. So people without the stoic mindset, which didn't buy the dip, they all sold and they all will buy back higher. But right now, we haven't seen a significant dip. Right now, nobody expected that Bitcoin would reach its all-time high before the halving. It never happened before. So right now, the whole market sentiment is a bit confused, strange. Is it bullish? Is it not? There's one thing I know, you have to be prepared on both scenarios. When everything will go down 30%, will you be happy? Probably not, because you will be thinking, man, I should have had cashed out and so I could buy back lower. But what if everything will pump 30%? So you have to think about both scenarios and come with a solution, balance it, and so you will be grateful for both scenarios, okay? So what I do is I'm not going to sell to anticipate a shakeout. When everything pumps, okay, I'm happy. But when everything dumps, I'm sure I have enough dry powder on the side to buy the dip. I will be only buying the dips because I know altcoin season is around the corner. Everything will go parabolic. All the picks I have in my group are decent. They have the fundamentals. Look. And when everything will go down, yeah, I'll be happy to buy more. And when everything pumps, let's celebrate, you know? But also, when you miss one boat, there's another one and another one. So if you think that, okay, I will cash out some projects to anticipate a dip, which I wouldn't recommend, and you cashed out and that certain project pumps, don't buy back in higher. Don't FOMO in green candles again, okay? Just sit on the side, hunt some gems, because every day there will be another project which will have a lot of potential. So yeah, So my answer was a bit long, but yeah, you get the point. Nobody knows, and you should be just prepared for both scenarios. But I think that we are getting some bullish momentum, and tomorrow everything can be green, double digits. We don't know. But it can also be the other way around, you know? Mora games. I'm not really a fan. I know a lot of Mora bots were shilling it in December, back in December. The site looks kinda trash, but maybe they rebranded it. I don't know. Because I feel like a lot of people are bullish on Mora. Nah, it's still 5 million in market cap. I know where the hype came from, yeah. When it was consolidating, nobody really couldn't bother. Then it pumped. Now it's consolidating, and now it's on the radar of many people. They only have maxi listing, and they are like 5 months old, 6 months old. Let's take a look at the site. Did they rebranded it? No, they didn't. Yeah, I'm not sure about this one, to be honest. Oh wait, they have a new game. Okay, I didn't see this one because when I reviewed it, I think they didn't even have a game. Okay, we know what it's all about. Let's just take a look at the vesting because yeah, that's important. But it's not even available. Too bad. Yeah, I don't know. To be honest, I'm not really bullish on this project. Why? I think there are lots of other projects which are decent and also lower in market cap with a better site. So yeah, for example, Mojo is a decent gaming project. I just reviewed RT is a decent gaming project, both low in market cap. So this one and Mojo. What else? This one, TX20. It's it's forming new bottoms, unfortunately. But yeah, I'm still DCAing this one. It's a low cap GameFi NFT on the ordinals. So if you're bullish on the ordinals network, be my guest. No financial advice. It's a very high risk, high reward. Let's take a look at the site because it's kinda old school. So it's less than a million in market cap, 30% volume. All-time chart doesn't look that good, but when it's bottomed out, then yeah, I might do another buy alert. But it has decent exchange listings. As you can see, guys, it's only 2 weeks old, less than 2 weeks old. Contract on ordinals. So I'm not sure if their game is already out. Yes, I'm human. The site isn't the most fancy one, but that's the idea. So it's a play and earn 3 games in season 1 and more in following seasons. So right now we are in Q2, Q4 marketplace launch, Lotto launch, platform expansion. But yeah, they got some decent backers as well. Moonrock Capital, Seedify, Orange Dex. You can stake it on Orange Dex, by the way. Do I stake it myself? Nope. I don't like to stake. I want to be as liquid as possible. I want to get access to my funds when I want. But yeah, also this one, high risk, high reward. But let's go back to another one. So 100x altcoins to buy today. Then I think I have to go with Mojo. So if you don't know what Mojo is, I actually made a video about it. So it's an ecosystem with a few games already, and the AAA game needs to be, or I mean, is coming soon. And these games are also listed on the Amazon Games store. Ducks team, lots of backers, and still a low cap gem. So pretty bullish. So if you haven't seen my video, make sure to check it out, guys. Make sure to check it out. So decent volume. Okay, nice. It dropped 50%. So that means they stopped selling, probably. So you can see it's very volatile as it's low in market cap. And I think these are pretty good levels to scoop up some. No financial advice. Also audited by Certic, decent markets, also decent vesting schedule. So Patreons, I'm eyeing this one, but I'm trying to look, I'm trying to find the best entries, which I didn't really do at this one. I thought this would be like a quick multipliers, but it did not, because Bitcoin dumped. Not really dumped, but you know what I mean. MX and BGB tokens. Bitget. Is this a Bitget token? I think it's all-time high, yeah? Yeah, look, I wouldn't invest in it, but Bitget is yeah. It's an upcoming exchange, you know, the chart looks very healthy. By the way, I have a partnership with Bitget. So if you want to scoop up some gems and you don't have an account, guys, make sure to use my link. You get some bonuses. You'll get some bonuses. And I'll get some bonuses too. Wait, let me take a look at the live stream. How many likes do we have, guys? I answered more questions than I have likes. Come on, guys. Hit those likes. But as you can see, you can sign up for Bitget and you'll get some bonuses as well. And if you don't have a cold storage, guys, don't leave your crypto on the exchange, okay? That's just... some people, they just have all their funds on the exchange, and then you see some of them forgetting their password, or account got hacked, or the exchange is gone. I think in 2018 or 19, I bought some crypto on cryptopia.com and then it disappeared. So yeah, I lost that. So hit those likes, guys. I appreciate it. And also on X, by the way. If you're watching, guys, please retweet me. I appreciate it. Thank you, Crypto Plus Memes. Thank you, man. Let's do a quick shout out to you, as you did one for me. So yeah, for crypto related stuff, make sure to follow him. So Mojo it is. Surge, mid-layer, lit, Mojo. So 2 gaming projects, a Bitcoin layer 2 scaling solution, and 1 DeepIn project, guys. And I don't hear a lot about DeepIn right now. Also not a lot about AI, but they are very fundamental, okay? And I think in the upcoming altcoin season, they will skyrocket. But it's funny because the whole market sentiment changed, because when every AI project and every GPU project, DeepIn, skyrocketed, everything was talking about it. Everyone. On X, on CoinMarketCap, on YouTube. And now it's gone. But good to see some people are asking about AI tech in my stream right now. And I can assure you, these levels, I don't think you would see it again, these levels, to be honest. But BGB tokens, are they worth to invest into right now? Sorry, I was a little bit caught up in my own speech. I wouldn't invest in BGB. Or you want to stake it. I don't know if there are any staking rewards, but it's like maybe you're buying BNB when it was on a 1 billion market cap. I don't know. I don't know. Personally, I would just invest into yeah, Caspa or something, you know, when it's that high in market cap. But I answered your question, but also not your first question. So sorry about that. What do you think is the safest investment out of all cryptos right now? That'll be Ethereum. And Ethereum will also be the first one to pump when Bitcoin dominance will decrease and Ethereum dominance will actually increase over Bitcoin. Altcoin season is going to kick off. So if you want an altcoin with the lowest risk, that'll be Ethereum. But yeah, easy said. But if you want some multipliers, I think Caspa or Solana is also a decent buy, but the multipliers aren't that, you know? Helium Mobile, I've been blown away. Helium Mobile? Does Helium have an own mobile? Or what are you saying? Oh, they are already on the big exchanges, but not Binance, and it has huge volume. Binance listing is not out of the books. Wait. You can actually mine helium, yeah? Yeah. Mobile app. Ah, that's sick. That's sick. By the way, these new features on CoinMarketCap is quite nice, to be honest. So, telecommunications giant Telefonica has announced that it will use blockchain technology to reduce infrastructure costs. That's interesting. They will integrate Helium mobile hotspots to extend its coverage in Mexico. Oh, that's sick. That's actually great news for Helium. Nice. Nice little fact. I'm not invested in Helium. I'm not planning to. But that's a nice announcement. That's some nice, how do you say it? Uh, Developments for the blockchain industry. Yeah, man. Nice. Award winning already. Team is doxed. For STBU. Yeah, it's just me. I'm just not keen on old projects, to be honest. More money will be flown in into new projects, and the project can be so good, but it also needs to be like attractive to retail, to the noobs, you know, and it's not really an attractive narrative, to be honest, you know, but maybe institutional. But yeah, they don't really have funds or backers. They didn't manage to get on a tier 1 in a matter of 4 years, you know. So yeah, that's why I'm not really bullish on it. Amen. Pepe, $1. Let's go. Let's go. That'll be freaking sick, man. I'll, I'm not sure, man. I don't know. Pepe is not going to $1, obviously. Maybe it will kill one. Maybe 2 zeros. Chart looks bullish, by the way. Chart looks bullish. Monthly chart not that bullish. Let's see if it's forming another higher low. But yeah, it also depends on the overall market. But if you guys want to know my price predictions, let's do some nice price predictions. Okay, so let's do Pepe. With the market cap of Shiba, because there will a lot more liquidity poured into cryptocurrency than previous bull run, obviously. So the Shiba all-time high, that'll be at 13x. At 13x. That's actually pretty sick. I think Pepe will maybe even surpass Shiba. Because Pepe is still relatively new. I haven't been through a bull run before. I actually made a video on Pepe when this one was at a 0001. So you'd be up a 6x. So if you watch right now and you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to hit the subscribe button, guys. Otherwise, you'll be missing all the alpha. But I was kinda early on calling Pepe. Also on Myro. What else? Man, a lot. Corpo, Mavia, AI Tag. There are a few projects I was talking about that didn't do that good, are still consolidating, like Lit, like Midlayer. But also GLQ, man. I think we made like a 20x. And I'm still bullish on it, considering it's still a low cap. And I already took my profits out, so I'm just riding it from here. We all need to follow Crypto Seth. Yeah, I already do. Shout out to Seth, the Tectum guy. Alright, so what do you think about Caspa's current situation? Will it have a decent rise in 1 year? And should I buy more or invest into something else? Yeah, if you want to know if I hold Caspa, I do. Am I bullish on Caspa? Yes, I do. But it really depends on the exchange listings. Will it have a pump? And also the smart contracts. I think Caspa will be in the next bull run a top 20 coin, maybe a top 10. But it all depends on the developments. Will it get on a tier 1? I think that's out of the question. But the question is when. The question is when. And yeah, let's take a look at the Caspa chart. Because, guys, if you weren't buying at 11 cents, it's still low, by the way. It's still low. Look at the volume, man. This is a cash cow for the big tier 1s. But it takes time for the big exchanges to list Caspa due to its unique technology. The contracts needs to be checked. The security needs to be improved. So it's not only that the exchanges needs to accumulate Caspa, because there's no team which can allocate a big chunk of Caspa to get listed. No, they have to accumulate themselves. Plus, like I said, the contracts need to be audited. It could take up to 8 months. I made a video on Caspa about it, so if you're going to my channel, it's the first video that'll be on autoplay. It's on Caspa, so I'll be talking about that subject. So what else, guys? What else to to go further with my 100x altcoins to buy today. Surge, Midlayer, Lit, Mojo. Let's take a look. Let me take a look at my watch list, and today I'm not going to share it because some of our picks are pumping. Some of our picks are pumping. Let's go. So what I do is I click on the 24 hours chart and which one is in double digit red. Maybe they are good to scoop up. So I'm actually Space Falcon, it pumped significantly and it went back. Is it still 100x? Could be. Look, if you look at some of the requirements which makes a project pump, Falcon is the one. But the only thing that fucks it up is like the childish admins in the Telegram group. But if you look at the rest, the project, ecosystem, market cap, exchange listings, a lot of potential catalysts. So no financial advice, by the way. Don't sue me, guys, please. Into gaming project but don't know which one to pick. I'm trying to choose between LitLab, Mojo, Myriad, Block Games but don't know which one to pick. What do you think? Block Games is decent. I made a video on it, by the way. Also on Myriad, but Myriad you have to be careful because I feel like with Myriad you are dependent on the exchange listings, but also the game is taking ages, okay? But the game, when it's out, that could be a catalyst. But one thing that's turning me off for Myriad is the vesting schedule as well. Look, it's not the worst. It's not the worst. But still, it's high in market cap, you know. How high is it actually? Because I remember it was at the 150 or something. I don't know if it's down a lot. 130 million in market cap. Yeah, it's big, you know. Considering like projects like Mojo is like 65 times less with the same amount of backers. Also, Alex Becker is an advisor. So Alex Becker can pump your bags. So maybe for a, yeah, is this a safe pick? I don't know. I'm a bit in between with Myriad, to be honest. I'm a bit in between. But it really depends because LitLab is a very low cap gem. Mojo is. Myriad is like 60 times bigger. And Block Games, how high is that one? 16 million. Decent, decent. How was the vesting schedule? Because I think it wasn't... oh wait, it is. It's a daily vesting. That's not nice. Yeah, it's not the best also. So I think that Mojo or Lit, but it also depends on your risk-reward tolerance. Risk tolerance. I think you will be tolerate rewards. Nice, one of the gems is up. Wait, what? Yeah, so if you can let me know, do you want higher risk but higher fundamentals? Multipliers, I mean. What else? What else would I buy? Look, if we're looking at meme coins, but I don't want to recommend meme coins right now in the 100x altcoins because, look, these are all decent projects with 100x potential. If you look at the fundamentals and obviously the low market cap. But these meme coins are a gamble. So I can say, yeah, this one can be a 100x, but yeah, it can also be a rug. We don't know. But yeah, there's some. I think that Bang could be like a very nice play to get some multipliers. But always take your initial out as soon as possible. Because it's still a meme coin. ORNJ, I'm not really bullish on it anymore. Yeah, there are lots of projects like this one right now on the BRC20 narrative. A wallet, a DEX, something like that, but the vesting is not that good. So I'll pass this one. I'll pass this one. It has been a great journey. We made some profits, but yeah, I sold this one. And I do not recommend to get in. Lower risk, yeah, then Maria could be a nice play or Mavia. I think I'm actually kind of bullish on Mavia, but I wouldn't ape in right now. It pumped like 12% now. Yeah, look at the volume, guys. Look, it's also on these exchanges, but not a Coinbase and not a Binance. And I think it's a huge, huge. How do you say it, man? Possibility that it'll get listed on these exchanges, man. Look at the volume, guys. I I cannot remember if I ever checked the vesting, to be honest. So before I recommend it to you, let me take a look. So Binance Labs are one of the backers, and they aren't listed on Binance. Ooh, ah, it's not bad at all. It's not bad at all. It's not bad at all. But I wouldn't hold it for a year. Can be, but you'll get some nice dilution though. But I think I'll be out around May 2025 anyway. So Mavia is also a very nice one. OPSEC, yeah, I know OPSEC. One thing bothering me is they cannot afford the exchange listing. Or did they? Oh, they are already on exchange. Nice. Last time I checked, they didn't. 100 million in market cap. Oh, the chart looks pretty juicy actually. So the TGE was 8 cents. Is this a fair launch? Chart looks like it. AI technology to build, maintain, and operate. I think it's one of Stasher's pick, yeah. Problem with these projects is they came all out of the mushrooms. So Yeah, I don't know, man. So they are already integrated into the OPSEC ecosystem? That's sick. That's sick. The Venom wallet. Have you heard about Venom, guys? Because Andrew Tate is invested in Venom. It's a layer zero. Also solves the trilemma. So Caspa maxis. BitTensor. This doesn't look bad, to be honest, but I'm a bit skeptical about these kind of projects, to be honest. But OPSEC is pretty decent, to be honest. Yeah, I just don't know. It's high in market cap, you know. It's just high in market cap. When it was lower, I would have had aped in. But the narrative is all right. Hey Blaney, so you like lit? I have a bag that's down big. Be thinking about dumping after the recovery or next leg up. If you are down big, because I am actually also, I'm just DCAing every day, small amounts, because we don't know how low it's gonna get. But you have to think like this, because you obviously have an exit plan as well. Because, for example, um, we bought lit at 10 million in market cap, and we expect it to go to a 1 billion. So that'll be like 100x. So every $1,000 you throw in, that'll be 100x. Look, that $1,000 is still going to be 100x, if you know what I mean. Because right now it's just in a discount. Now for every $1,000, it's going to be a 200x. I see it like this. So most of the time when I'm down big on a project which I have a high conviction in, I DCA. I throw in more money, more money. You know? So yeah. First of all, only when you have strong conviction. If you redo your research, then maybe you think, well, I don't know why I did have a strong conviction, but I can see better projects, better opportunities. Flip it right now. No financial advice. That's what I would do. But I still have conviction in lit, to be honest. And this is a great opportunity to, yeah, to ape in a bag, because I know there are a few communities which caused a high sell-off, okay, because it's very low in market cap. But the FUD was just made out of thin air, okay? So yeah, I know the FUD, but it's just bullshit FUD. And a lot of people sold. And I think only me and Sepril, I'm not sure about other YouTubers, but I think we still have high conviction in this project. The other communities sold, as far as I know. That's why it's dumped. But yeah, I'll be scooping up these dips, to be honest. Right now, by the way, you shouldn't think about dumping. Just pack your bags And if it's high conviction back and it's down a lot, just DCA. DCA. Mint layer to the moon. Yeah, I think so. Mint layer to the moon. Hell yeah. $1 billion project. New here, by the way, thanks to Armzilla. Thanks, Armzilla. Welcome, Jason Stakums. I like your name, man. With memes, I was looking into Bang, Catwave, and Skidmark. But that's a risk, so currently I don't have an opinion on meme coins. I think they are a gamble. Yes, that's entirely true. They are a gamble. And if you want to know which meme coins I'm holding Peppy, because I think it's a sort of a blue chip meme coin, which still has like a 20x in the pocket. Also with the elections, that can be a catalyst. What else? A Coinbase listing. I dedicated a video on Peppy explaining the Coinbase saga. So basically, Coinbase did some trash talking not previous bull run, but when the meme coin bull run in 2023 kicked off, then yeah, they had some issues with Coinbase, calling it a right-wing meme or whatever, but they actually issued an apologize openly, so it still can be in the books, man, for Coinbase, and that'll be a catalyst for huge price bump. Mint layer price prediction. Yeah, I did it in the beginning of the live stream. 1 till 5 billion in market cap could be very possible for mint layer. Because like I said, they are also going in the RWA narrative. I think also gaming. They have multiple narratives right now. So they changed the roadmap. They added some more announcements. So if you just tuned in, they updated the roadmap, announced some new developments in Q4. So there will be like a layer 3, the ZK Thunder network. And yeah, it's EVM compatible. I think, man, a lot of things are going on with Mint Layer. Also with the RWA platform. So also for institutions, they will be very attractive. So yeah, if you look at the markets, lots of catalysts to come for Mint Layer. So freaking bullish on that one. Thoughts on OTK? I like OTK. And yeah, I think they are the only one with a double reward system. But I think it's still so low in market cap because of the lack of exchanges. Look, it's only on KuCoin. Like the majority of the people can't even get their hands on. So if this one gets an exchange listing in the near future, man, this project will do very good. And considering every crap project can hit a 1 billion. I'm not saying this one will hit a 1 billion, but UFO Gaming hit a 1 billion in market cap. A lot of other crappy gaming projects. And this one has a working product. Very nice branding. Lots of community engagement. Look, the volume isn't the best. But you can see it in two ways. But yeah, it's also because of the lack of the markets, obviously. So I'm holding it myself as well. I'm still in profit, hence why I didn't put out the buy alert. So yeah, Patreons, if you're watching and you don't have a bag for OTK, I think these are very decent buying levels. Let's see the support level, 4 cents. Yeah, it's still above it. I hope it will just consolidate and not breaking through the support levels. Otherwise, I will be putting out buy alerts to DCA. But yeah, let me be in profit, please. MAGA 2024. Hell yeah, man. Come on, man. This is the year. This is the year. Let's make the liberals cry again. Mega, yeah, man. Uh, I didn't ape in. It's this one, yeah? It's this one. I have it on my watch list for ages. I didn't expect it to go that well. Look at this pump. So actually, I might flip my bunk in this project, considering the election seasons, guys. It's all about catalysts. It's all about catalysts. Imagine if Trump becomes the president again of the United States. Hey. Hey. Imagine the pump. And if you guys haven't gone through a bull run before, please don't lone wolf, okay? Get into a community, because your emotions will take over, yeah? You will wake up, you will see double digits green, 30% up, oh my god. And your portfolio is, when every coin is like 30% up, your portfolio as well, it's 1/3 up. And then next day, another 30%. Next day, another 50%. It's huge, man. Most people can't get their emotions in check during the bull run. Hence why 90% of the investors will get wrecked. Do you think Myro still has legs in the bull run? Worth holding a bag? I'm holding Myro as well. A small bag, a small moon bag. I already cashed out my initials. So I have nothing to lose, but it really depends on the team. So I know a few people that aren't really deep into crypto. They heard about Myro because there is one sentence that just keeps sticking, and that's named after a Solana founder, Raj Gokhal's dog. Raj Gokhal's dog. Look, it really depends on the team if they are executing, like keeping the community warm, and also of course the exchange listings. But they got lots of followers, man. And when everybody thought Myro is dead, it pumped significantly. I actually made a video about Myro is not dead when everybody was fighting Myro. But yeah, I still think it's worth holding a bag, to be honest. I still think so. Thank you, brother. No problem, my friend. Good job, you're a top G, Crypto Seth. Yeah, he's a top G, but I'm not Crypto Seth, bro. Or what do you mean? What the hell? Yeah, imagine the election. Yeah, man, 100 from MAGA. That'll be a huge catalyst. Space Mesh, and what do you think about Sai? Is it a dead crypto, or is there more yet to see about it? I think Sai is a new crypto listed previous year or this year. But it's not that, my friend, because look at the volume, it's huge. Huge volume. Okay, so yeah, it actually broke through this support. We can get any lower, maybe. I don't know, but it's not a dead coin at all. I think Sai will do very good. Maybe at 20x, 10x. Not more, but yeah. It's its own layer 1. It's on the big exchanges already. What catalysts are there to come? Crypto.com? Kraken? It's already on Crypto.com, you know? Oh, it's already on Kraken. Yeah. Look, I would rather invest into something like Manta or something. It's a layer 1 and layer 2 in one, but also has some more exchange listing catalysts, if I can call it like that. But layer 1s tend to do it very well, my friend. And yeah, this isn't a bad buy. I think it's actually time to say goodbye to all of you. Maybe the last 5 minutes if you guys have some questions. And a little reminder, make sure to hit the likes. That'll be very appreciated. But yeah, Space Mesh. 75 million in market cap. Ooh, that's quite a sell-off. Dumped since the TGE. I think people are selling the airdrops or something, or what is... Yeah, okay. The People's Coin, user-friendly. Layer 1, proof of space, time. Never heard of it. On a quest to become the People's Coin. So does it have his own... What is it? Join, it's a whole network. SMAP. Yeah, I need to do some deeper dive, my friend, because there's a lot of buzzwords. Um, it's not really, when I come on the site, it's not really explaining what it is. Wait, I have a new notification. Welcome, free member. Welcome, my friends. And I got a lot of questions. Can I pay in crypto? Yes, you can. And it will be 40% cheaper than if you get a Patreon membership. And by the way, it's not yearly. I call it yearly, but you can just stay in the Discord forever when you do a yearly payment. So, yeah. Why? Because there will be a bear market as well. And I want everyone who's in the community to just stay. And you don't have to pay when there's a bear market, you know? But those are the times that you have to scoop up the best projects. So you have to accumulate in the bear market. But I know the hype isn't there. The community engagement isn't there. But if you're a Patreon of mine, I bet you'll be the smart one to scoop up all these juicy ass new projects in the next bear market. Space Mesh is stupid. Yeah, it was a lot of jargon. Only AWT is a good project. Yeah, it's selling off a lot, man. It's been dipping and dipping and dipping and forming new lows. So I don't know what the hell the team is doing, but I am down a lot on AWT. First of all, I made a lot of profits. And then it went down a lot. So actually, when did we buy? Or when did I buy? Because I started YouTube in January or December. I think I bought here or something. Then it pumped, consolidating pump. Yeah, I should have just take profits, obviously, but yeah. You will expect that, okay, it's forming some new highs, not considering the TGE. It's in a bullish uptrend and then bam, a sell-off. So yeah, I don't know what the team is all about. But they got some decent exposure with the IGN, 18 million subscribers. Check on land share. Yeah, I know it. I'm not really bullish on land share. I am freaking bullish on Surge. Yep. Hell yeah. So yeah, these times it's just with all these hacks, all these scams, you just need to just store, transfer, manage, and recover your data to a very, how do you say it? Like, obviously a Dropbox which is decentralized, which is Serenity Shield, essentially. The strong box. So it has huge utility in these uncertain times. Also with the clients, the partnerships. Every client which is buying tokens to use their product, a certain amount get burned. And the more clients they have, the more Surge tokens get burned, which is deflation, which is price increase. Okay? Considering its low market cap, guys, it's a no-brainer. 2 million in market cap? 1 billion would be like a 500x. Not considering the vesting, but also not considering the token burns. So yeah, guys. Hi, my man, I refilled up my bag with Surge yesterday. Yeah, man, me too, by the way. Or in the morning. And yeah, I put out a lot of buy alerts this week. And I actually have a new gem. So stay tuned for that. Stay tuned for that if you're in the community. I'm down 2k on Mora. Would you say swapping in Meria would be a good play or just wait for a recovery? Well, Meria is way huger. Let's take a look, because Mora is like, how? 5 million? Look, Meria is like, is it 30 times? Nah. 25 times bigger than Mora. So it will less likely have the same multipliers in a shorter amount of time. So I rather choose to invest in something like Mojo or something. But look, if you're down but you still have a huge conviction of Mora, I mean, they have some games out, I think, or some new games upcoming. I don't know. I didn't do a deep research because I can't be arsed. But yeah, look, it's low in market cap. It's high risk, high reward. Myria is bigger, but it will not have the same multipliers, potential multipliers. So yeah, that's that, man. That's that. So you bought high. What I would do, if you still have the same conviction, DCA. Buy back lower, see this as a discount to fill up your bags. But I imagine that you bought Mora without any conviction, just to have a quick access, maybe to anticipate an exchange listing, I don't know. And now you'll be thinking, well, there are more projects, better projects with better opportunity. Then I would just flip it. When your conviction is gone of a certain project, flip it. What's the point in holding a project if you don't have any conviction? Okay, you're down, okay, it's actually the rule, don't sell in loss, but if you can get the gains back with a better project, why not? Why not? Mustafa, merhaba, merhaba. Do you know Getgrass project? No, I do not. It's only on a DEX. What is this? Why is this only on a DEX pair? Do they have a site? Oh, I'm tired. I need to have dinner still. Blaney always with his dinner. I don't have a wife to cook for me. I cannot find Getgrass. I don't know what it is, my friend. So, by the way, I'm live for an hour and 35 minutes. Token not released yet. Okay. Um, earn a stake in the AI revolution. So it's this one, yeah? Ah, get paid for your unused internet. Yeah. I think Across the Rubicon made a video about this one. Am I right? So you can just earn money with some of the crypto projects also to lend your internet connection. So that's actually pretty nice. This could be something. This could be something. Download Grass. Your view of the internet is valuable, get paid for it. This innovative web app runs in the background of your computer. Okay, using small amounts of unused bandwidth to view AI training data on the web. Oh, this is sick. Look, when you're on social media, you're giving data away for free because you are the product. Now, because of the blockchain decentralization, you are the owner of your own data, and now you can get money for it. Okay? And it's not your data. It just takes data from the public websites and sells it to the AI companies. You don't have to do anything. So yeah, I heard about this project. I forgot the name. Thank you for bringing it up. I'm actually going to follow this one. So you actually can earn tokens right now, yeah? Yeah, man. Very interesting project. Very interesting. I think most of the time Dex Tools is showing the fully diluted. So I'm not really, yeah, I'm not really sure about it. I actually searched it up. Let's Google it because CoinRank, Dex Tools, Mojo market cap. Look, yeah, considering, I don't know if you have to believe Google, but considering it's rank 3614, I think it's that low in market cap. Dex Tools mostly shows the fully diluted. CoinCarp, maybe this one is showing the market cap. Yeah, it's the fully diluted one. So it's that low in market cap. I don't think Miria will be my pick as I think there will be better performance, but I go with what you have higher conviction in. Yeah. True that. I agree. No just points, yeah. I think when a token is out, you can redeem those points into the Get Grass. To swap it for those tokens. That'll be like logical. Binance and OKX referring on it on X a lot. Really? Very bullish. Do you know when it's coming out, by the way? Yeah. Sometimes it's just a project, you think it's going to do something in the short term, and then it's just slowly dying out. That's just one of the worst things. I also experienced it with one of my picks. Yeah, what can you do? We have a lot of winners, and sometimes there's a loser, you know? We can't have them all right. But I still have conviction of the losers in my picks because altcoin season still needs to come. And it will pump either way. It will pump. Haha. I like your accent. Where are you from if you don't mind me asking? No, no problem, man. You can ask everything. Everyone can ask everything. But I'm from the Netherlands. I'm from the Netherlands. I was born and raised into the shithole. The pilot country of the Matrix. YouTube isn't monetizing me anyway, so kiss my ass, big ass corporations. But I think I'm going to have a dinner right now. I'm going to get some steak again. Jason Steakham. I like it medium rare. But guys, also, if you're watching from X, hit the likes, retweet, get me some community engagement on X. I really appreciate it. Also on YouTube, of course, because I feel like the algorithm is lacking on me, man. How many likes do we have? 18 likes. Okay, that's decent. That's decent. Can we get this up to 25, guys? I'm late to the party. Hit the likes. Yes, my friend. Welcome. You know what? I'll stay another 10 minutes. So basically, Torvid, a quick summary. I talked about the 100x altcoins to buy today. Surge, Mintlayer, Lit, Mojo, Space Falcon again because it pumped and it dumped again. But still low in market cap and still has all the fundamentals. Also, I did a gaming altcoin review, a low cap with nice backers, doxed team, AAA graphics. It's called Arty. So let me know what you think, man. Let me know what you think about this pick. Anyway, like Torvid said, make sure to pump up the likes. Pump up the likes. And if you're a newbie in the space and you don't know how to hunt gems and you want to learn how to hunt gems and how to filter crypto if they are legit, come on guys, why join my Patreon? You know why. And who the fuck is Blaney? I'm a crypto enthusiast, YouTuber and experienced investor. So 7 years in the crypto space and I'm here to simplify your journey. So yeah, what I'm doing is I provide you the best potential investments. Also, Torvid, I talked about some indicators when it's the end of the bull run. So yeah, I'm not sure what I was talking about again. So yeah, decreasing volume, bearish divergence, breaking support levels, negative news, but increasing short interest. That also. So if there's interest, rising interest in shorting, that means growing pessimism, you know, also an indicator. But right now, guys, fuck these indicators. Altcoin season is around the corner, okay? It's no time to talk about when is the top going to be. Of course, when you're doing an exit plan, but it shouldn't depend on when the top is. You should never try to time the top. Get your exit plan ready. okay? But get some realistic price goals first and take profits the way up. Already write down, oh, on this market cap, I'm going to take out my initials. On this market cap, I'm going to take out 20%. Why? Because you'll get greedy as hell. So like I said, if you haven't been through a bull run before, these emotions will get you, and you will be the one left holding the bags because you made a 50x. And then you'll be saying, oh my god, everything is so bullish, man. Everything is so bullish. But this indicator is on greed right now, okay? Fear and greed is on heavy greed. Take some freaking profits. Take profits. When everybody is greedy, you should be fearful. What about souls and AWT, bro? No 100x. Yeah, potential 100x. I'm just not... Look, AWT is kinda disappointing me, to be honest. And souls, I'm not really... yeah. I think souls and AWT are a bit similar, and then I have to choose with AWT. Ticker for the game pick, Mojo. This one, pretty bullish on. This is some alpha. I was actually thinking to make it a secret pick. But considering some of the secret picks are still in accumulation zone. So yeah, I don't want to dilute or saturate the picks, you know. I'm actually looking to get rid of some picks. To get a clear view in the Discord. You think AWT can do 1 billion market cap? Yeah, that's impossible. That's impossible. It is possible. It is possible. But I wouldn't count on it. I wouldn't count on it, to be honest. But yeah, like I said, they have some exposure from IGN. IGN platform has like 18 million subscribers. That's a lot. I also bought Tectum. I think it's a good entry zone. Yep. Still, I might actually scoop up some Tectum as well. Even though I'm still in profit, 2x. But man, it has a $1 potential, man. $1? $1 billion in market cap. I mean, I'm actually clearing up my my pages because man, I'm so chaotic. How high do you think AI tech will go? Considering it's in the AI narrative, which AI is taking over the world, it's also taking over the crypto space. It really kicked off previous year, 2023. There was a small AI bull run. And I think that was an indicator of, hey, we are the AI projects, we are going to melt some faces this bull run. And then they took off again in 2024. And yeah, AI projects aren't going anywhere but to the moon, in my opinion. But AI tech also has a deep in narrative with the data centers. And like I said, the marketplaces will come soon. Also, these the data centers will also come soon. So very bullish announcements, events are taking place in the near future for AI tech. But considering the high volume, it's a cash cow for the tier ones. And it will only be a matter of time when they get listed on a big ass tier one like Binance or Coinbase. So multi-billion project for sure. Multi-billion project. Right now it's on a 108 million. Yeah. A 10x could be. 20x also. Artie, I looked into it in January. I didn't like it. What makes you so bullish? It dropped hard, bro. Really? Yeah, well, scroll back, my friend. Then you see the live review. Then you see exactly what I like and what not. But it dumped hard. But I think a lot of gaming projects are messing up with the airdrops or the, they are greedy vesting schedule. So people who are just aping in at the TGE, they get wrecked. But I'm looking at the buying zone right now. So it's a good thing you faded it in January. But if we look at the fundamentals, the project itself, I mean, yeah, I can do another review again, but it'll bore the viewers. But I'm going to wait till it bottomed out before I will do a buy alert or something. I'll just look. Today I heard about this project for the first time, so I'm actually joining the Telegram, following them on X to keep a close eye on them, on the developments, how active is the team, because those are all factors you have to take into account. Do you own some high caps? Yeah, I do. The highest cap which I'm holding is, I think, Caspa, then Peppy, Bonk, and the other picks are disclosed. Limited for my Patreon. I tried Abbas World game beta. It's too good for Web3 game and it's a Souls game on Steam. This will be huge. Yeah, man. AWT is huge. It will be huge. So 100x will be in the books, but I wouldn't wait for it. Hey, my friend, Crazy Bossangero. How are you? What do you think about Octaspace? Yeah, great question. I used to have it on my watch list. It's gone right now, I think. Or isn't it? Oh, it's still on my watch list. I'm not sure why I didn't buy it. Maybe because I can't have them all. But yeah, distributed computing layer 1 and deep in narrative. It's a bullish narrative, but where's the website? Let me take a look at the website. Well, let's start with the vesting. Vesting is not here. How much in supply? 37%. Let's hope the vesting schedule isn't that aggressive. So yeah, I don't know. Okay. Distributed computing, VPN, and data storage. Okay. I'm actually kind of bullish on storage. I know storage projects are freaking boring, okay? But they are needed because AI really pumped up, really kicked off the GPU pumped, okay? Because obviously AI needs GPU. So everybody was mad about GPU projects, blah blah blah. Just like this one. But AI also needs storage to actually store the data they are gathering, obviously. So 1 plus 1 is 2. That are my thoughts, And I think that storage narrative will also, yeah, it's a deep in narrative as well, but storage, I think it will melt a lot of faces. And I think Octaspace isn't a bad project at all. So they already have a working product. Okay, so it's own layer 1 EVM compatible blockchain, proof of work and proof of authority. Nice. Dual chain system. Yeah, I really need to Okay, they have a doxed team. They are getting a marketplace. Nodes. Nice. Have a VPN, a rendering. So they have a lot of AI tools as well, storage. So they are going to ramp up the marketing as well. Team is doxed. They have some partners. Okay, yeah, it's a decent project. It's also pretty low in market cap, if this is correct. The chart looks also very bullish. I like charts like this. But let's just, yeah, if you want to buy a bag right now, I'm not a financial advisor nor have a crystal ball, obviously. But it might, depends on the whole market. But yeah, if you want to get exposure, DCA, also always with the expectation that it will go down more. I wouldn't sell. Well, it really depends on your portfolio and your safety management. But Ethereum is the next one to pump after Bitcoin. So the money will flow out of Bitcoin into Ethereum and then into the high caps, mid caps, low caps, and in that order. So yeah, I wouldn't sell your Ethereum if you have a good chunk. How many viewers on X do we have? Sometimes I have 12, sometimes I have 1. Now I have 4. Come on, guys. Hit this button, hit this button. That'll be very nice. As a thank you. But guys, I'm kind of hungry. I'm going to wrap it up. And look, if you still have any questions, you can just write down the comments and I will reply to you, okay? So I think this live stream will be up in a few hours for the other people. And then I can get to the comments and just answer your questions. In the comments, not in the chat. Get the likes up, yes, my friend. And welcome, man. Good to have you. Good to have you. You have Armzilla's same shiny hat. I love it, man. I want to get bald as well. I'm actually thinking about it in the summer, bro. Great stuff, bro. Thank you, bro. I appreciate it. So, guys, thank you for watching. And I see you guys in the next one.